Good morning, everyone. My name is Professor Dan Faringer, and I'm the professor for your summer Math 104 class. I'm making this video ahead of time to help explain what is on our D2L site for this course. So I'm going to switch screens. I'm going to come over here, and when you log into D2L, you should see a course that looks something like this. This is one of two that we're going to be using. D2L is the most important one because your official grade book is going to be at D2L. Even though there's one on our Pearson My Math Lab site, the official one is going to be here. This page that you see is called the course home. If I click on it, it brings me to this page. Every week, I will have a list of reminders, due dates, etc. for the week. You will see that what's in red is D2L information items. I have an orientation assignment. We'll look at that in a minute, and a Dropbox assignment that you can get ready and get started working on as soon as the first day rolls around. Pearson is our homework and quiz management system. Anything in green is going to talk about what's going on over here in my math lab, which is this guy right here. Okay, my lab, my math lab. And here at the bottom, you're going to see a copy of the syllabus. I'm sending information to you in an email, which has this video, but it's also going to be listed up here in that blue, and it has a copy of the syllabus for you to look over in case you have any questions before the class actually starts. If I come over, I'm going to skip this widget for a minute. I'm going to come to this widget. One semester during a remote class, I recorded my videos. The first couple that, well, the course intro is what you're looking at again, and I have to get this one back up and fixed and running the first day. But here's videos for each of the sections. There are some that are included in the ebook, which is contained up here in Pearson, but these are the ones that I made as well, and they're a little easier to access, and hopefully you will like my style. I have office hours. If you want to sign up for an office hour, you come down and click on this link. It's really easy to use. That's why I use Calendly. When you take your test, you're going to come down to this widget, click on Zoom. For your test, you'll be given two time periods to choose from, but you're going to come into Zoom, you're going to have your cameras on, and I will be proctoring your test that way instead of you coming to campus. And here's a old picture of a younger me, but you can see me in this video. So coming back to the navigation bar, second thing is content. You always have access to the syllabus. You notice there's also something called Red Shelf. This is if you're interested in buying the physical textbook instead of using the ebook that comes with my math lab, uh, or buying the code to get into my math lab. You can go get it from Red Shelf ebook, or you can buy it at the bookstore, but this will help you with that code. Discussions, anybody finds good links, good resources for certain chapters, put them on here. You have questions. So Saturday morning and you have a question and I'm away and don't get to answer your email right away, you may want to post it on here and somebody may be able to get back to you with some information or some help. Dropbox, just moving right along the navigation bar. When you finish your test, you're going to give me your answers, but you may be close. And the only way I can give you partial credit is if you upload your test work, numbered, well written, right after the test is over. If you get a question wrong, it marks it wrong, but I may be able to go in and give you partial credit. So I need your test work in order to do that partial credit. So under this Dropbox, again, that's what I clicked on, Dropbox, that's where you're going to put the test work for the three tests. Also under the Dropbox, you're going to see assignments. Well, here's an orientation one. You're going to get started there. But you're going to see, and these will be blue, so you'll be able to click on these once they open up. These assignments are problems related to the material you're learning. It's applying it. It's helping you get ready for a test, but it's not like just a test review. By the way, you can see this is about 150 points. I get so many students that miss out on these and they don't do the work and upload them. Assignment one is the first 3 chapters. Once it becomes available, I print it out and start doing the problems as I go while I'm doing my work in the first 3 chapters. Keep after it. Don't wait till the last minute. Okay. And again, this orientation assignment, something's going to pop up there. It's also going to help you to do submitting your work for these assignments or these proctored tests as a single PDF. That's the way I'll grade them, as single PDFs. Under quizzes, you are going to see under quizzes, there we go. You will see this is where you're going to come to take your 3 actual tests. Okay. The first one, you can see the dates, the times. These will all get adjusted as we get closer, but there's each one of the tests. Grades, this would be your grade book. You can come in and see what you got on each assignment. This app is kind of nice to have, but here's all the homeworks, here's all the quizzes, and these are synced right to MyMathLab. So MyMathLab will bring those grades over to this D2L grade book. The reason this is your official grade book is because all of these are D2L assignments, and that 800 points or however many it is what's in D2L versus missing from MyMathLab. Come back to course home. You're going to click on this link. Again, MyMathLab is where you're going to go in and do your homework and quizzes. First time you go in, you're going to need an access code. You can either buy it, as I said before, from Red Shelf, or you can purchase it right then and there or at the bookstore. Okay, I'm going to send this video to you today, which is May 15th. I'm going to send email a copy of the syllabus. And if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, class starts in a week, and good luck to everyone.